Well, we've bought her. ...2014 Kawasaki Z800. It's actually amazing. Roll the title and we'll show you the trip down to get her and all the story. Lying in my bed last night, feeling sorry for myself, so I've got the cold, as you may hear, so I apologise for any sniffles that might happen. I was looking at motorbikes. I've been looking at motorbikes for a long time, some of you may recall. And I went through a shitload of looking at bikes. I went from MT-09s to MT-10s to Triumph Sprints to VFRs, Triumph Street Triples. The list goes on and on and on. I was about to put down my phone and up pops an alert from Auto Trader that a new bike has been put on. 2014 Kawasaki Z800, but in the traditional green and black of Kawasaki. And then I noticed the price, and I'm thinking that price is hell of a good. That's worth a phone call if nothing else. So I phones the nice gentleman, Adam. Adam, if you're watching, hello good sir. Top bloke, absolute topper. Adam's in Nottingham. Nottingham by Christ. I only went and booked a bloody flight to go down to Nottingham. The next bloody day, meet with Adam, and there I see her. See her in all her glory sitting in the warehouse. She was looking good. And now we've got her. And now we're heading the 443 miles back to Inverness. I'm like a dog with two cocks. This bike is amazing. Obviously I can't do a full review of this bike yet because I've only just bought it. All I know is from reading things on Auto Trader, MCN, etc. And a couple of people have done test rides of them. So instead, I'm just going to show you how beautiful she is, and we'll leave it at that for today.